So if you want to make money in the down market, there is only one way you can make it, and that is by investing in the tokens that is ending with reserve. Yes, as you can see here, this new token, which is by the name Golden Dome Reserve, the website is right over here. And clearly, just like USOR and just like VDR and just like any other reserve token that has pumped recently in the last month, especially in the start of 2026, these tokens are trending in the meme coin segment. And in today's video, I will cover this token because I think it is quite new, quite fresh. I will take you through the tokenomics, every details, and tell you whether or not you should invest in this token or bail out. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about the new token that can actually mint your money. So again, if you're someone who's new here and watching my video for the first time, please do remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and make sure to click on the link below and join my free Telegram community right away. So here, what we have Golden Dome Reserve. If you remember, a month back I covered a token called USOR, which pumped to nearly 20 cent before falling down, and then I covered BFS that went to like 15 cent yesterday from nearly below a cent, and then I covered VDR, and that VDR token itself is now trading at around 2 cent from the lows of 0.005. So clearly there's one thing that is trending among these tokens, and that is about the narrative. The narrative is about tokenization, and this project is doing exactly the same. It is following the narrative. You can see here it is talking about strategic defense funding protocol, decentralized orbital maintenance and expenditure. Now if you look at the Twitter handle, you will find a similarity between the tokens that has pumped recently and this one too. You look at here, the primary liquidity layer of Golden Dome, the orbital defense initiative, and if you go down, they have a deadline like February 24th, state of the union, be there. Now again, these date reflects that this token will pump before this date or maybe during this date also, and can actually mint you good money. If you go down here, we'll know what it's talking about. So look at here, it says in this tweet, the world is not ready for the Golden Dome. Dome will soon be designated tokenized military asset for the entire world. Remember, tokenization of military asset. When we talk about USOR, when it pumped and made you money, we talked about tokenization of oil reserve. When we talk about VDR, we talk about Vanguard Digital Reserve. Of course, I trade them as a meme coin. I'm not sure if they're legit project or not, but they have the potential to pump. And if you look at the tokenomics, you will see here it is quite fresh, just 2-day old. And look at the holders, we will know something better. The top 10 are holding just 9.8% of the supply. That is a good thing. That is really a good thing. The supply is 1 billion token. That is great. That means it has room to move up. Moreover, once we look at one more thing, and that is the bubble maps, we will become clearer whether it's a rug pull or a legit project. So we go to this bubble maps and check out the project. Let it load. Meanwhile, if you want to check the contract, make sure to click on the link below or visit the website, which is goldendomereserve.com. I will share all the links in the description so that you won't miss out. Don't buy the fake token and get rugged if you buy minimizing your risk. So this is the bubble map, which looks quite decentralized on the face of it. Of course, as you can see, there are some bundles here, but that also means they will try to pump it before they dump it. So again, if you go back here on the chart, we will figure out that they are trying to pump this up once again. That means we can ride the wave right now, maybe for 2x, maybe 10x. That is possible because they are pumping for the last 3 days. And when I talked about the VDR token, when I covered it, that is also heavily clustered, which is right over here. When I talked about it at 0.005, this token is now reaching nearly 2 cent. So if you invest at the bottom, of course, with proper risk, don't put all your money in it. But again, take minor risk and start going in, because these tokens, of course, they're kind clustered, but the owner always try to pump them to make them money. And in the meanwhile, you can ride the wave. Same will be the story of this token, which is Dome token. I believe it can go higher. It can actually make you 2x. That is possible. But again, don't go all in. Of course, preserve your capital. But these green candles and this pullback shows it is not going to rug anytime soon. It is going to pump. So again, DYOR, that's a quick view about this token. I think DOM, designated as infrastructure ledger unit. Again, it's a product that want to tokenize a new asset, which is your military defense system, and that is why I believe it has the potential to actually make you good money in this week or by next week or on before February 24th. So stay tuned for more updates. Be watchful. I will share new alphas with time also. Of course, most of my calls make money, and if you get in early, make sure to print money and take out profit always on time. Do not wait for a token to dump. Make money, take profit, and preserve your capital. So with that, I complete my video. Make sure to subscribe to the bell icon, join my Telegram community, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.